Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a blind bag video.
What blind bags do we have today?
We have Thomas and Friends. What's this one called again?
Well, I don't know. Who's on there? Oh, Marvel Tsum Tsums.
We have another one of those.
Two Marvel Tsum Tsums. What's that? A DC Hero Minis.
A Dory necklace.
Dory necklace.
And Slinky Dewdrops.
Slinky Dewdrops. What would you like to open first?
This.
Oh, actually, you should tell everybody who else is in your video.
And Violet. Ah!
It's okay.
Wait, I need to get it. Just for a second. He needs his hat. This boy baby needs his hat on.
You got a little Mario hat?
Ah! Yeah, it's one of his toys hat, but...
Okay.
So Violet, Izzy, and... What's his name now?
I don't know. You have so many babies, I can't keep track.
Oh, yeah, Joseph.
Oh, Joseph. Okay.
Okay, let's open this up.
A little Finding Dory. Okay.
It's a necklace.
Want some help?
Nope, I don't. Ooh. So we got this necklace.
Ooh. Yeah. 7 of 12.
Let's see the collector's guide.
Anything else in there, or is it just a necklace in there? Oh, just a necklace in there. It's a quick one. I'll bring it really close to the
Here's...
camera.
No, I already did it. So we got...
Let's see. It's 7 of
this
12.
one.
Yep. Bring it nice and close.
And turn it over.
7 of 12. I think that's that little...
And I got it. And I
Little
got
shirt.
a tray. Let's open this one now.
Okay.
Let's get the scissors. Little Violet's holding the black scissors, and now I'm gonna use them.
I think Marvel Tsum Tsums have a tear in them. Where do they go?
No, we're doing this one.
I know. I'm just looking for tears. Wash your fingers.
I am.
What do we got in there?
Oh, we got the pumpkin one. I
Oh,
was hoping to. That is so cool.
The Hobgoblin.
Okay. Yeah, you tear it right here. I can't believe it. I got the one I wanted
know.
to.
You said beforehand you wanted this Halloween one. Let me help you.
No, I can do it. So here we have a pumpkin. Let's get this guy open.
Ooh.
And we're back from the lake house 02.
Oh yeah, we've been back from the lake house for a while. Okay. It looks like these all stack up together. Right, here's the pumpkin base. Ooh! Look, the little pumpkin's head comes off. And that lets this go in. I think.
And I guess the pumpkin goes in. The pumpkin head goes inside.
There we go. That stacks on there. And that stacks on there. Then it looks like Hobgoblin. Where's Hobgoblin? Hobgoblin rests in here. And then where'd that pumpkin head go? Pumpkin hat? And that goes up here. Ho 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 ho, look at him. Pretty neat.
He is.
That is a good one to get.
Now let's open this.
The DC Heroes one.
Mm-hmm. I really want to get Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman, we'll see what we got. Looks like there's a mystery Batman in there too. What do we get?
What do we get?
Oh, you build them.
Ugh.
Ooh, here's the cape. It looks like it's a Batman.
It is. This looks like the right one.
Batman.
Yeah, this is. Yeah, this is the right arm.
Series 1, DC Heroes. Oh, if you had more than one, you can mix and match.
We just have
Yeah.
one.
The Batman. It might be Black Suit Batman. Let me help you so we can speed this up. Let me help you build this Batman. Yep, this is Black Suit Batman.
Can I put the cape on?
Sure, I'm getting his arms in. Okay.
Oh, and I got get the. So look how big. So here are the two compared.
Oh yeah, you got a cape for Batgirl, one of your big figures. Here, Daddy's gonna put this cape on Batman so I can move it along. There we go. Batman is built. Let's put him by Hobgoblin. Hobgoblin and Batman would not get along. Okay, let's do another Marvel Tsum Tsum.
Okay. So we get.
Who's that? Well, maybe Ghost Rider. Oh no, it's Rocket Raccoon.
Oh yeah, it is. Here, let me open it. See, I can open it. There's little holes in it. Oh wait, I can open it,
No,
Daddy.
Daddy is opening it. Because Daddy does it much quicker. And without making a big mess. That's little Rocket Raccoon. Do you know how to assemble him?
I do. I think this goes right. This goes right here.
Look at this little rocket. Let me help you. You're on the right track.
Oh, there we go. Oh.
Let me help you. We're on the right track.
And I brought. He can ride in the little boat.
Oh, did you see there's a little Groot on top?
Like, it's cute.
You can see him. He's so tiny. He's so tiny that the camera can't even focus on him. There's a little Groot. And he goes in there and then he can rest in that little bed with his Groot. That's where Thomas and Friends next.
Daddy, I'm supposed to be doing it. What do we get? Ooh. We got.
Whoa, it's like a Halloween
Yeah.
truck?
Yeah, it is.
That's kind of a scary truck. Who's that? Let's get the trucker side out. Alien Paxton.
We have Swinky Doo Droop. We have Swinky Doo Drops. We have Swinky Doo Drops.
Okay, open them up.
I think we need to open it a little more. There's our necklace.
Wow. We got here some stickers. Nice little stickers to play with.
I'm trying not
Yeah, careful.
to cut the what's inside.
Fashion tags.
What is inside here? Oh,
Look at that little guy. Oh, it's like a little owl with a nut. Or is he a little chipmunk? I guess he's like a little chipmunk with a nut.
it's a cupcake.
Oh, cupcake?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I guess it is a cupcake. You're right.
hat.
Oh, a little sun hat. And you got a little necklace. That's a little lamb.
Now let me open it.
There you go. Want to put it on?
Mm-hmm. The two of them.
I think we're wrapped up for this video. What was your favorite thing you opened today?
Look at the babies on the pirate ship.
My goodness, babies on a pirate ship. Pirate babies.
Mm.
What was your favorite thing you opened today?
Everything.
What was your favorite? What were you most excited for? Were you most excited for the pumpkin hobgoblin? Since that's what you wanted the most?
Yeah, I wanted it and we actually got it.
I know, that was nice. Okay, what do we say to everyone?
Goodbye.
What else do we do?
What do you say?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
And what else do you do? Yeah, but you should do something else. They watched your video. What should you do? What do you say when someone does something nice for you?
Subscribe and like.
What do you do when someone does something nice for you? What do you say?
Thank you.
That's right. So what do we thank them for?
Thank you for watching.
Very good. Bye, everyone. One last kiss. Bye-bye.
Catch it.
Catch it, friends.